OPPO is launching their devices with some cool cameras and dash features to enrich their brands, but they really fail to gain only because they've been focused on cameras. So that we'll talk in this full video. Hey guys, welcome back to the sobuZ YouTube channel. So I am sobuZ here. Before I start, please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then thanks a lot. OPPO F5. At first I was thinking that why the hell its screen so clear? Well, it's a good enough, like it's having 32 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, octa-core processor with Android last version, so yeah, it's good. So the speed is good enough to use in one hand. Well, the color of screen is really true color like Apple devices. Yeah, maybe it's telling, I don't know. And the screen resolution also the brighter HD. So there is no doubt that they have given extra effort to make it bit better than previous versions. So here comes the camera. Sorry, it's camera. So the real you, what is the real you? I'm still thinking that what is the real you, that hashtag they becoming the viral and everything, but I'm still not getting that thing. Well, the real dull color is in camera, so in OPPO it seems it's reddish color like in some other screen. So if you guys anything to share, please comment below. Ta-da!